You can earn up to $500 without any skills on Fiverr, and I will show you in detail how you can do this job, and you can earn up to $500 in just 5 minutes from Fiverr without any skill. What you will do, I will explain in this 2-minute video, and after this 2-minute video you will be able to earn $500 just in 5 minutes, as this seller can earn up to $500 just removing a background image. And you can check that this seller have completed 14 orders, and in 14 by multiply by 50, you can say that this seller have earned up to $7,000 without doing anything, and you can earn up to the same amount in a month, up to $7,000 to $10,000 without doing anything. Before I am explaining this, you have to just do two things. First of all, like the video right now, and after that subscribe this channel right now, and after this 2-minute video you will be able to do the same job, and you will earn up to $500 per order, and you can complete this task just in 5 minutes. How you do, I will explain right now. So this is basically a job of removing background of any images. Like this is a Tesla car, and you will do to remove this background, and after this background you will add something new background, and I will show you in detail you how to do that. For this you will first of all come to Fiverr. I have given a link in description. You can come to Fiverr and you will create your seller account. Here is like I have a seller account, and I have also earned $20 in a 1 minute. Okay, so after that you can create your account, and then you will create your gig that I will provide a services for removing a backgrounds like this. I will also explain how to create a gigs on Fiverr, don't worry. And after that you can come to this website, just search on Google remove backgrounds, and using this website you can simply remove any background of any image. Like I have removed the Kathleen image from here, and you can see that the Kathleen before of uploading this image is like something like you see under thumbnail, and after that I have removed this, and the thumbnail you can see the Kathleen is simply so. Okay, after that you will deliver your order. You will download this image, and when you download this image you will deliver this order to your client, and your order will be delivered. After your order delivery, your buyer will complete delivery, or you accept your delivery, and after that you can earn up to $200 to $250 to $40 and even $400 or $500 in just 5 minutes by doing this simple work without any task, without any time hustle. You can earn up to $500 just in 5 minutes. So what you will do, create account on Fiverr. I have given a link in the description, and you will create a gig that I will give you services of removing background, and you will add some images, some details to your gigs. How to create a gigs, I will also upload a video on my channel, so make sure to subscribe my channel right now. And after that you will go to Google remove BG, and the first website you will click on it. Using this website you can simply remove background of any image. You will upload your image here. After that download in HD, and after that you will deliver your images to your client, and you will earn up to $200, even $500 in just 5 minutes by doing this simple work. So make sure to subscribe my channel now if you are interested to earn money online. Thank you.